we tend to forget what good things our leaders have done, but only remember one or two of their mistakes. And taking Babangida as an example, people don't realize that the three largest banks in Nigeria today did not exist before Babangida. But Babangida, that license guarantee trust, license access, and Zenith Bank. These are the three largest banks in Nigeria. They didn't exist before Babangida came, but nobody gives him credit. So these books that we want to write are to tease out some of this. Nobody gives Vice President Atiku the credit for leading the economic policy making under the Obasanjo administration. Many of the things that we did, from PPE to the economic team, was under his leadership. But maybe because we don't write a lot and people don't read history, we tend to forget. We only remember negative things. I think it's part of human nature to remember only negative things and forget positive things. I'm honored and humbled to come with Vice President Atiku to condole his family and commend the work that EK Flag has done. And I remember in the 60s, 70s, 80s, the traditional political partners of the North were South-South. Let us not forget that. Let us go back to that. Let us save this country, because it really requires saving. We need a rescue operation. So on behalf of Vice President Atiku and his delegation, Jima Adamawa, Honorable Mabu, Waziri Makarfi, everyone, I've forgotten my elder brother, Adamaino Waziri, Governor Bindo, I call him Bindo of the Federal Republic.